Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we will learn about the new topic approximations and errors. Okay, so here we start. Find the approximate value of square root 25.2 using differentials. So in this, our procedure is, let us consider y equals to root x. Now let x consider as 25. Therefore, x plus dx will be 25.2. Now put the value of x. So 25 plus dx equals to 25.2. Now the value of dx will be 0.2. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y. So put x equal to 25 in equation 1. Then we will get y equals to 5. Y equals to 5. After this, now differentiate equation first with respect to x. We will get dy over dx as 1 upon 2 root x. Now put the value of dx and x. Okay. So after putting the value of dx and x, after simplification we will get 0.1 upon 5, which is equals to 0.02. Now after this, the value of x plus dx square root will be y plus dy. So x plus dx is what? It is nothing but 25.2, and the value of y and dy is this much. Now add these two values, we will get the final answer. This is the approximate value of 25.2 square root 5.02. Now move to next question. Next question is this much. Find the fourth root of 15. Okay, so let us consider y equals to x to the power 1 by 4, and here you have to take x as 16. Now x minus dx equal to 15. So 16 minus dx equal to 15. Dx will be 1. Now put the value of 16 in equation first. Then we will get y equal to 2. Now differentiate equation first with respect to x. So dy over dx is equals to 1 upon 4 x to the power 3 by 4. Now the value of dy will be this much. Put the value of dx and x. After simplification we will get 1 by 32. So this is the value of dy. Okay. Now x minus dx fourth root will be y minus dy. So put the respective values. You will get 63 over 32. Now next question is this much. Y equals to sin x. Okay, x is pi by 2 and x plus dx is 22 by 14 in this. So put x equal to pi by 2. You will get y equals to sin pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 we know that sin pi by 2 is 1. So the value of y is 1. Now differentiate y equal to sin x. We will get dy dx equal to cos x. Now do the cross multiplication. So put the value of x here. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So 0 into something 0. The value of dy is 0. This shows that there is no change in y. So no change in y. Now next question is, find the value of tan 46 degree. So let us consider y equal to tan x. Let x equal to 45. X plus dx equal to 46. Okay. And put the value of x. X is 45. So from here dx equal to 46 minus 45, you will get 1. Now put the value of x equals to 45 in equation first. Then we will get y equals to tan 45, and tan 45 is 1. So the value of y is 1. Okay. Now we have to find dy over dx. So dy over dx will be sec square x. Now in this sec square x, now do the cross multiply. You will get dy equal to sec square x into dx. Put the value of x and dx. So sec square 45 is 2, and the value of 1 degree is given in the question. So multiply this, we will get this one. Now tan x plus dx is equal to y plus dy. Tan 46 equal to 1 plus this much. After adding this, we will get the answer. Okay. So students, I hope that this video will help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.